Hello crypto fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to exploring exchange CoinW where you can easily start a new epic journey in the crypto, either spot, future or there is also copy trading. And we know year and Christmas where you can easily come to join. For new user there is also sign up reward that is 10 US dollar and there is no user limit. New user who will register through my link I am going to providing in my video description and start their journey, they will get super bonus. And this is also the platform with secure and you can get airdrop trending tokens, BTC, Ethereum and other that have been listed people already join it. You can easily start their spot trading, future trading and buy selling crypto as well as, and you can also come on the CoinW live stream session too, where top crypto masters are going to giving you update and some new lesson that you have to learn. New user who are also going to start and who are thinking that they should start new epic adventure journey, go ahead to start with CoinW Exchange, where your new earning journey is going to waiting for you. And now, how actually you are going to join? As I have already told you that if you are going to create account for the first time, you are new user under my link. You can easily put your email address here for register, and then you have to put referral code. Accept the terms and condition. You can click on the register, and your account will be created. You can also use Google account, Apple or Telegram to log in into this exchange as well. After your account that is going to sign up through Google. This is also secure project where we will also get the code on our email and we have to write there. Next friend, you have to put password of 6 to 8 digit and after that your account will be successfully done. And we want to check out that it is going to access, and here you can also add the passkey so your account should also be secure. As I have already told you that if you are going to deposit here as a new user, for that you can easily click on the deposit option and then you can also check here your select your currency in which you are going to recharge, you want to deposit. You need to select here, I am going to using like USDT. Here is first one, and next we have to choose network, that is on BEP20, and then there will be QR code and address will be generated. You can scan or copy this address, on that you have to send and your recharge will be completed. In this way, you can also come to your dashboard and there are also reward hub where new user can also reward if you want to come. Then there are also like future bonus on different. As a new user, you can start your future trading, spot trading, and your volume will decide how much your reward. Like 3000 volume will give you $50 reward, future 9000 volume will give you $100 reward, and so on. You can also check your advanced challenges have been given you. You can not only just here as beginner, then you can easily click on it. Beginner task will also be loading here, like you can complete your KYC and then you can proceed to the next. To start trading there is first deposit, list one 10 deposit $10, and then you can also get reward on it. There are also first spot trade, future trade. I am also going to show you how all of this is going to work. First thing that you can also check here, KYC. You can come here on your profile. There is also identity verification, you need to click on it. After the sign up you can come to identity verification, mean there is KYC. As you can also check for that, you can click on the verify, and where you need to select your region first, in which country you are living, and then you can also select your ID, like what you can submit, and then you have to click on the next option. And after you can also upload, there you need to click on the continue option, and here you can submit your verifications details, like you are going to put your front and back picture after selecting your country, your mobile phone number, and then you can also start your verification. In this way you can do your KYC. You can guys easily come on this spot trading where you can analyze, there is a lot of coins are available. You can select your ones, what is suitable for you, and then you can start your spot trading or future trading. Here you can also come to their join as a community member, There are social media link on global in different countries related their Telegram too. You can also discuss with them. I hope you understand everything about. So guys, you can also participate here in the event CoinW with Coin Crypto Series and year and X max win offer where 1210 USDT will be given to the members who will participate from 15 December to 28 December 2025. $10 will be given on the welcome bonus, no user limit. Everyone can participate as to create on CoinW account. So friends, you can also check your CoinW with the year and X Max where you can easily get $10 as a bonus, and there you can also grab further information as your first deposit will be $50. You will be given another reward mega coupon that will be $10, and if you are recharged first deposit will be increased, then reward will be also. So we event 3 where trading volume will also give you on different tier level to get reward. Your future trading volume if cross 200k you will be given $50 and so on. So be ready to join, and I have shown you how actually you can be part of this campaign. And if you have any questions still now, you can ask on Combox. You